Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I am going to make one of the most refreshing cocktails for you. The one and only Blue Island iced tea. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Let's start with a Colin glass. I will fill the glass with fresh ice. Always use fresh ice, as fresh ice melts slowly and increases the life of the cocktail. I will pour half an ounce of white rum. You can use any of your favorite brand. Half an ounce of gin. Half an ounce of vodka. Half an ounce of triple sec. Triple sec is the most popular orange-flavored liqueur, and very easily available in the market. Half an ounce of blue curacao. Blue curacao is similar to triple sec, but with beautiful blue color. Two ounces of sweet and sour mix. Please check the description box for the detailed recipe. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now I will shake all the ingredients without ice. This method is known as mix method in the mixology terminology. And if you want to know more about this technique, please write to me in the comment section. Okay, let's pour the mixture. I will be happy if you make this refreshing cocktail at your next party and share your experience with me. Now I will top up the cocktail with chilled lemonade. Please don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting recipes. You are watching Spice Trail. Now I will garnish the cocktail with a slice of fresh lemon and mint sprig. Blue Island iced tea is ready for you. Please don't forget to share this recipe with your family and friends. Cheers for your amazing life. Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching.